Hello, I am Lisa from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and I am on the Baby Lock Altair.
Ooh, I love this machine.
Love this machine. Wonderful. And what we're going to do today is we're just going to kind of walk you through some of the settings pages up here really quick. So what we're going to do here,
Now tell me where you got to that settings page again.
Okay. We're going to come up here where this little piece of paper is with the bent over corner.
Down.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, we're just going to touch that.
That's your settings.
So the settings pages, like you can say I want my needle to go up and down, and have it set your bobbin sensor, the speaker of the machine, your light, and the light if you want the light on and off or dim it.
Just lots of things you can
There's
change,
different things, the things. So these are where you're going to find these. There's sewing, and then also as you're going along, this is going to be your echo mode and your screensavers. Okay, this is going to be how many stitches you have on your machine, the internal number. So when you go to update or upgrade, right? That's what you're going to be using.
So that number is really important because it wants your number, but that's not your serial number. This is the number of your machine.
Yeah, it's the kind of internal.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's where you find that.
And
that's your version.
This is the version of your software.
Check babylock.com every once in a while and see what version you have. Maybe they've got an update that you don't know about.
That's right. Okay, here, now we've started into the embroidery part. So this tells.
Now, how do you know that, Lisa?
Well, if you come right up here, this is highlighted in blue.
Okay.
And this is going to be embroidery section.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So it just talks about your hoops, your color, thread, then brands of thread you're going to use if you want to use that. The speed of your machine, or the speed of the embroidery part of your machine is this is the embroidery part, the speed
that can
of
go
that.
really fast.
Okay. The tension. This is where you'll adjust the tension, and actually let's just move that back down. This is the foot height of your machine.
Black around the letters.
Yes, the black around your numbers are going to be the default of your machine. So if you were to go and adjust anything in your machine and you need to adjust it back, then make sure you just get it back to the black, and that's at the default. Yep.
Great.
And if you ever move that embroidery foot, please just make sure you move it back to the default, because if not,
problems.
You will have problems. Okay. And here's some more. I just want to point this one out. Most machines will come with the millimeters.
And I'm lost.
And I'm lost too. Yeah, exactly. All you have to do is press the arrow, and it takes us to inches, and your designs are in inches as well. So these are just different settings that you can do on your machine.
So are they going to hurt anything if they go in here and just look around?
Nope. And you can press buttons and see what all these different things do.
Explore it, huh?
Yep, that's what I was going to say. Just come in and explore. If you have any questions, just give us a call. We're happy to help. This is going to be for your Wi-Fi. So see how the little Wi-Fi symbol up here is highlighted? That tells you all the different Wi-Fis there.
And we'll get into that later, won't we?
Yep, now we're back to their main sewing. Oh, and let me just tell you too, earlier in one of the videos, I talked about this right here being the speed of our machine. But if you come into your settings page and you turn that on, now this becomes the width of your zigzag. So it shuts the speed of the machine off, so you're going to control all that speed with your foot. Okay?
That's kind of
And now
cool.
this is going to be the width of your zigzag. Okay? I like to have mine off.
I do too.
Okay, so now these are just some different adjustments. Your foot height, your pressure foot, and then your digital feed.
But don't be afraid of these.
Yep, don't be afraid of these.
Because you can always put them back in the black.
Oh, yep, yep, exactly. So when it talks about your dual feed, that is that big, monstrous, white walking
cool
foot.
thing.
I call it a walking foot on steroids.
That's what it is.
So, yep. So now I'm thinking we're pretty much back to where we started.
Okay.
So
well, that's good information, Lisa. So get in there, try it out, and don't be afraid.
All right.
All right, and call us if you have any questions, because we can help you.
Yep.
Thanks, Lisa.
All right. Thank you.